na mwanjo murigiriri abarimi kurujinsemo ao ime county ya Kisii sikulia lero nikobanyaka bakonyora amaigeria mono basemi igoro yugokinia ligasa liabo asemiremo yabo ya kiralituko igo banyara koba bagosemi gwachinjira ao chinjira ao chiokonyara koba noko neno ligasa liabo kurwa semigondo chinga kibanyaka bakolinyora munagotuma mulikito tipon asanya.
These members don't need handouts. They need a neighboring environment to grow their crops and to do business. Indeed, that's how we can grow as a country. That's how we can grow as a county.
Nigoria rengeri tukolinene asabaremi gochengero konyora ku mukyobo woko iboria ebimeri naboigo endagira.
Amalieta nkoro Cyrus Masenge unyabichande ndenete department yekorokude yebiasara Kisii County rere twale ngomoyega wogo chengera lituko lya ushirika esensengima na intuga Kisii twali chengere sobwagare kyagera aba member bonds be cooperative ba kiramo koligere nara liba kolire wetere cooperatives nande kolingana ne serikali ya ito ye government ye kora odumo governor oito Paul Simbarati
abaremi koruchi sector ao imeye county ya Kisii igobaikirana asomoyegoywe ime yegeti kya Gusii Coffee Farmers Cooperative asebono baba bakoegwa ogusegetwa kwa konyora obuya bwokweri na kubwatana asebyombe elio banyare ko babakogokera ogusirwa nonyekurwa se serikali
nande momaete government yabekire chinguru SH cooperatives elinde tunyare ko batoko beka abantu baitamo banyare gwekonya nebimeri biri dokolema ese Gusii muna chikawa beretram avocado na matoke ejine chivalue chain chiko korabu yese Kisii serira barieto lya Kisii youths to join cooperatives kiagera boniga cooperatives jaja ku embrace ngedukura technology igo nabeko bwato ndebwensi no embali abana ba minto bale isiko yense tebacho ini cooperative jaito chinyare okina abande bonse Gusii erigereriwe nechinze chionsi mune county ya improve cooperative to another level.
Okubori okonene kugokore mechande yerenene abaremi bagwetera nokurwanirwa nabarayi anene ase serikali anene unenchira yemo yokobe kemeroberio yokobasira ase sector yoburemi naboigo okogorora chi sector chichoburemi chinsemo ao.
We have had issues of membership. We have had issues of dormancy. We have had issues of, as it has been highlighted, issues to do with digital, digital moving forward with the digital era. But you see, that is why Waziri has said that is encouraging that there is a bill at the Senate that is told at the Senate for the last 1 year that intends to address some of those issues. And we also want to support what he has said, that if possible, that bill should be fast-tracked so that at least we have a better document that will be able to support our movements.
Kuripotiri kitasenekia ukiagatembe kuruiga daraja moja kutoka imeye county ya Kisii litirane nkoro kwa Dipon Asanya.